Hammerhead shark. Oh man.
Glenn. Glenn. Yeah, you're done. You love him. You're making me nervous.
I got this grip.
Oh my god, you get a cigarette. Back.
Oh, he went back down.
What? How back down?
God, that's huge.
Crazy. He like straddled.
Oh, alligator wrestled that boy.
Crazy.
Got him like an alligator boy.
Michael, you're
Yeah.
Oh my god, what is that?
That's the one that was stuck to the side of it.
Hang on.
Yeah.
I want to see it. Let me hold it.
Side of it.
That's so cool.
Throw it back, it's good luck.
Is it good luck?
Yeah.
Here, Dad, throw it back. You throw it back. Throw it back. Throw it. Oh no, you didn't put it.
Feel that underneath up as they hold on.
Oh my god, so cool. Feel it. Want to feel it? Don't touch it. It's like bristles. That's so cool. Throw it back. Here, get it better.
You need more luck than I do. Throw it back.
No, you grab it.
Scallop.
You're my luck.
No.
Because you're
It's
my,
getting curved like a scallop.
yeah,
True.
whatever the hell the opposite of us. Oh my god, I want one of his teeth. Does someone have pliers? I don't care, I want one.
Your teeth are bigger than that.
Right? Yeah, let me do that real quick.
I got some. Or you got some? Yeah.
Oh my god, look at his mouth.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Looks like he's about to get excited.
Big boy.
This is crazy.
Dirty.
That's so cool. His eyes like glow. That's crazy cool.
Try getting it there right next to the curve.
Oh my god, look at his head. It's like a flat, like, oh my gosh. Micah, you're so nuts.
Yes, sir.
You're nuts.
Mikey just walked over time.
I know, he just.
Those males have penises.
Do they?
Yep. 2 of them.
What?
Yeah, like snakes. Snakes have two
boy's going
penises.
double
My snake
time.
has 2 penises.
Oh,
They
crap.
stick out of his butt flap.
I'm so scared of snakes.
I want a picture of Who has my phone?
Dad, take a picture of me and Micah with a shark. I almost said snake. Okay, you're gonna have to hold it up for me to take one too. Got it.
Oh, that's wait till you kiss me.
You just want the
Okay,
little kiss,
hang on.
Micah? The little one.
Hang on.
What are you trying to do?
Hang on.
He's trying to do with
No,
me.
but
He's
Sarah
trying
was
to
flapping, hold on.
doing the cha-cha slide.
Oh, he's trying to strip him. Trying to strip him.
Hang on, Micah. That was not good.
Man, that's huge.
That was a good one. Dad, take one with. I
God,
want to hold it up. I'm like, hold it up.
Hurry, Teddy. It ain't taking
There's a
boy. Oh, great. Just walking down the pier, ladies and gents.
I'm gonna hold it. Give me.
Big old stingray.
Give me.
No, ma'am.
How?
I ain't got no case around it. You drop this, it's gonna break. I got another set of pliers right here if you need them.
Huh?
Pliers?
Oh, we got one.
You got some? All right, cool. Big old stingray. Shit. Go, ladies and gentlemen. There's something. First fish I seen down the pier today. What's your name, man?
Eric.
Eric. All right. Cool.
On video?
Oh, yeah. Yes, sir. Yeah. Welcome to Texas, baby. Yeah. All right, man. You too, man.
Yeah, it's a bunch.
That's what I figured.
You did a lot better.
That's a nice one.
Oh, yeah. That's a nice jack. I don't for that. I can't eat that.
Perfect size right there. Shark bait right there. Yeah, he's a little big guy.
Right there.
Dion, stay over here where I see you.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah. What's going on, man? We meet again.
How you been, man?
Oh, man, nothing much. Had to come get that saltwater fix for a little minute. That's all.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what you about to yak some out?
Probably.
Want surf fish? Oh, okay.
Probably freeline him.
Oh, yeah.
Take him out there and put him in that water quick.
Yes, sir. All right, ladies and gentlemen. First bite in 2 days.
I'll get you a glove, you can throw them back in the water, right?
Yeah, it's off. There's another one, ladies and gentlemen. That's number what, 3 or 4? 3?
No, I caught one.
Oh, yeah, that's yours, yeah. I thought you was hung, boy.
I did too.
But all right, I know what? I gotta go to the restroom.
Information.
Yeah, that's number 2. DJ, I'm trying to get my bait.
Give it a shot.
Ah, yeah, well,
take it off.
I'll take it off.
Record that.
Yeah, you take it off. Yeah, here you go. Hey, no gloves, doc.